Hi, and welcome to day 9 of our October Make With Me project. We are making a crochet stitches sampler welcome mat, and I am beginning today by switching from the light gray back to this cranberry yarn color. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a treble crochet. We are only going to need to make 2 rows of this one, so today's crocheting should be a little quicker than previous days, but let's go ahead and get started. Okay, to make a treble crochet we want to chain 2, and it is very similar to a double with just a couple of extra steps. So for a double, we yarn over once. For a treble, we're going to yarn over twice. We're going to insert our hook into that first stitch, yarn over, pull through. You should have 4 loops on your hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2. You should have 3 loops now. Yarn over, pull through 2. You should have 2 loops now, and yarn over, pull through 3. So treble, you have to yarn over and pull through 2 3 times. So let's do another one. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. Should have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, that's the first time. Yarn over, pull through 2, that's the second time. Yarn over, pull through 2, that's the third time. And there's a treble crochet. It makes a very tall, long post. And we are just going to make treble crochets all the way across this row. So we should make a total of 66 treble crochets. We will chain 2, turn our work, and make another row of 66 treble crochets. I will meet you guys at the end of this section. And here is my completed treble crochet section. It was a pretty quick one. It's just a good skill to have and to know. So there you go. Let me know which of your stitch is your favorite that we've done so far. Let me know in the comments below. And I will see you guys tomorrow where I will show you guys how to make a shell stitch. Bye!
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.